With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, today we are going to discuss one more question. The question says that the equation of circle passing through co-normal points of y square equals to 4ax is. So here we have to find equation of circle which is passes through the co-normal points of y square equals to 4ax. So for this, let us take the diagram here. This one is x-axis and this one is y-axis here. And let us take this one is our parabola y square equals to 4ax here passing through the center origin here. So this one is y square equals to 4ax here. So now if we plot here normals, then so let us take this point is B here, this point is A here, then this point is B here, and this point is C here, and these are normals here. So this angle is 90, this angle is 90, and this angle is also 90 here, and this one is circle passing through these normals here, and these all A, B, C are co-normals here. So coordinate of A can be written as here a m1 square and minus 2 a m1 here, and coordinate of B can be written as here a m2 square minus 2 a m2 here, and coordinate of C can be written as here a m3 square minus 2 a m3 here. So we can write it as here, as we know that equation of normal to the parabola can be written as here a m cube plus 2a minus h m plus k is equals to 0, where hk are the coordinates of P here. So this one is the equation of normal here. So as we know that here, let us take m1, m2. m1, m2 and m3 are the roots of this equation here. If m1, m2, m3 are the roots of this equation, then we can write it as here m1 plus m2 plus m3 can be written as here equals to 0 here, because the coordinate of m square is equals to 0. And here as we can write m1 into m2 plus m2 into m3 plus m3 into m1 or m1 into m3 is equals to can be written as here minus 2a minus h divide 2a minus h divided by a here, coefficient of m divided by coefficient of m cube here, and m1 into m2 into m3 product of all roots is equals to here minus of k divided by a here. Now so let us take this one is our equation first here. All these three equation are equation first here. Now as we here assume that points a b c, so as we know that coordinate of n, these are the coordinates of a b c here, and as we know that a b c are on the circle here. So let us take general equation of circle which is equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This one is general equation of circle. So any point coordinate on the circle can be written as here am square minus of 2am here. So by substituting this value as x and y, we can write it as here am squares whole square plus minus of 2am square plus 2g. For the x we can write it as am square plus 2f. For y minus of 2am plus c is equals to 0 here. So by simplifying this we can write it as here this one is equals to am raised to the power 4 plus 4a square m square plus 2ag by m square minus of 4a fm plus c, which is equals to 0 here. Again by simplifying this we can write it as, sorry, this one is equals to a square here. So now by simplifying this we can write it as here this one equals to a square m raised to the power 4 a square m raised to the power 4 plus m square into 4a square plus 2ag minus of 4a fm plus c is equals to 0. As we can see here, this one is equation of degree 4 here. So here total 4 roots m1, m2, m3 and m4 here. So m1, m2, m3 3 roots are in the above equations here. So m4 is equals to, as we can see here, this circle is passing through the origin also 0 0. So this m4 can be written as here fourth point is equals to 0 0, because this circle is passing through the origin. So we can write it as here by this equation, if m1, m2, m3, m4 are the roots of this equation, then m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4 is equals to here 0, because m cube coefficient of m cube is equals to 0 here. So by simplifying this, we can write it as, so if the circle is passing through the 0, 0, then if we substitute here m is equals to 0, then here we get this one is 0, this one is 0, and this one is also 0. So this one is implying here c is equals to 0. Then c equals to 0, implying here our equation will be a square plus a square into m raised to the power 4 plus m square into 4a square plus 2ag minus 4afm is equals to 0. As we can see here, let us take m as a common, so remaining terms can be written as here a square m raised to the power 3 plus m into 4a square plus 2ag minus of 4af, which is equals to 0 here. So by simplifying this, we can write it as here, since m, this one is implying here m equals to 0. As we know that m equals to 0 is also a root here, so a square plus this one is implying either m equals to 0 or this term can be equals to 0. But earlier we take here m equals to 0, so this one is implying a square m raised to the power 3 into m 4a square plus 2ag minus of 4af, which is equals to 0 here. Now, so this one is equation of 3 degree here. So by simplifying this, we can write it as, let us divide complete equation with a. Here we get a into m cube plus 4a plus 2g into m minus of 4f, which is equals to 0. This one is, let us take our equation second here. So by above equation, as we can see here, this one is our equation, a m cube plus minus of 2 plus 2a minus h into m plus k. Here we assume m1, m2, m3 are roots. So if we take here, as we can see here, this one is equation of this form here. Here we substitute m equals to 0 and we get here equation of degree 3 here. So this one is implying here, let us take m1, m2 and m3 are also roots of this equation. If m1, m2, m3 are roots of this equation, and earlier we assumed that a m cube plus 2a minus h into m plus here, this one equals to here 2a plus h into m plus c is equals to 0 plus k is equals to 0. This one is our equations first. So by comparing corresponding coefficient here we get, 2a minus h is equals to 4a plus 2g here. So by simplifying this, we can write it as here 2g is equals to minus of h minus of 2a here, or we can write it as here g is equals to minus of h plus 2a divided by 2 here. So again, by comparing corresponding coefficient here we get k is equals to minus of 4f here. So here we can write f is equals to minus of k by 4 here. So by substituting value in the equation of circle, here we get x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2gx is implying here minus of, here we get minus and 2 is cancelled out with this 2 here. So here we get h plus 2a minus plus 2fy. So this one is implying here k by 2 into y, here is x, plus c is equals to 0 here. So by comparing from option, since earlier we get c equals to 0, so here is our final equation, x square plus y square minus of h plus 2a into x plus minus of k by 2 into y equals to 0. So this one is equation of circle. So by comparing from option, here we get our option x square plus y square minus h plus 2a. There is nowhere h plus 2a here. So our option, none of these is correct option here. I hope you understand the explanation. Thanks for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.